What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. And today, oh shit, that's how you start off a video. We're gonna be installing the outer tie rods on this car because if you guys kind of look here, that's straight. That's the car driving straight. So obviously we need to fix that. So I have the outer tie rods actually in the back. We're going to Brian's house right now, which is around the corner, to get them installed. And then hopefully we have enough time to get this thing online, because I mean, just look at it, that's not straight. So we're gonna go get these installed, or we're gonna install these, but he's gotta get over to Brian's house without rubbing so much. Yeah, we're over to Brian's house. Hello. Right here. These are them. Fuck. Brian already got this side done. That right there needs to go. Those coilovers are not it, and not gonna lie, kind of scared. These are max speeding rods. Oh shit, it's been rubbing right there too. That's not good. Yeah, those need to go. So probably in the next couple weeks, or maybe even next week, you might have some new ones on there, cause those ain't it. And that was the old one too, by the way. Oh shit. Hard. Yeah, rubbing a little bit right there. Hopefully the spacer's doing work, because there is a spacer on here. So hopefully that's doing work. If anyone can tell me if that's the stock intake right there, that would be helpful. I'm pretty sure that is. But yeah, this side's done. Just got the other side, and hopefully we can still make it to the alignment shop, which I'm pretty sure we will. But now she can drive straight. So Brian's under the car looking at the serial number for the motor that's in there right now, and they all line up. The motor lines up with the VIN on the car, so that is the original motor with 227 now thousand miles. Yay. Not a side I wanted to hear, but I mean, fuck it, it is what it is. We're probably gonna end up getting a stock or an extra one anyways, just to do it. Just took the car for a test drive. Huh? Just took the car for a test drive. Feels good. Drives straighter than what it was, so thank God. Where'd you get that from?
It's from Civic.
So it's literally the end of the day, like towards the end of the day. We went to go eat for a little bit, and now I'm heading home to kind of just go relax and edit this video. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a short video, but it's very informational. So sorry if I sound sick, by the way, but we installed the outer tie rods, or he installed them. Unfortunately my back is hurt, so I can't really do anything too much, but he installed the outer tie rods. And while he was under there, he went ahead and looked at the motor to make sure if the motor was the OEM original one, or if it was a different one put in. Because obviously, like I said before, I think I said it, the car has 227,000 miles, and I was kind of skeptical if the motor was going to be original or not. I know they're going to last forever. If you take care of them, they'll be good. But I was just in that hole of like, I hope it's not original, because then it's less mileage and I can do something with it. But I'm kind of scared to do any kind of motor work to it. So I have a lot of plans for this car. I plan to kind of break that down in the video separately. So maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll get like a separate motor on the side just in case, or just have that money for the extra motor. Not entirely too sure just yet. But yeah, we have a lot of things planned for this car, and I hope you guys are excited and ready for it, because it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm excited for it, truthfully. You know, this car finally drives straight now. We're getting closer to where we want to be, but also very, very far where we want to be. So I'm excited for what this build has to come. I mean, this is going to be the main focus on the channel. It's going to be a lot of fun building this thing. I've always wanted an 8-gen for like years and years and years. So to finally have one is freaking dope. So it feels surreal a little bit. We have a lot of things coming in for this car, a lot of parts coming in, a lot of ideas coming in. So if you guys are excited for it, please let me know down below. Also, I will be having a name change to Lost Minds, which I know you guys have bought before. You guys know that is my clothing company. I am going to be changing it to something different, which I will explain to you guys in a later vlog and stuff like that, or when I'm ready to release it. So expect new clothing to come out, new merch to help with the builds. So I hope you guys are excited for that as well. But we have a lot A lot of work to do, guys. I'm excited for this. This is gonna be a lot of fun building the SI. This thing is slow as shit. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna make it pretty fast. A lot of ideas for this thing, and I hope you guys are excited for it. But yeah, like I said, I know this is a short video. I don't want to drag it on too long. Just a huge thank you for all the support you guys have been giving me ever since I released this video. You guys have been going ham on the videos, ham on the likes. So just keep doing me a favor, keep doing that, and keep showing love. You know, you guys are doing an amazing job. I thank you guys for that so much. You guys don't know how much liking a video helps out so much. So it really does. So if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit the like button as well, and show your friends, man. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. A lot of things I want to do, but like I said, I'll explain that in a different video. Maybe the next video we'll talk about it, but we're gonna have a lot of fun. You guys are gonna see a lot of new faces on the channel, a lot of new people. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting. I hope you guys are ready for it. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, edit this video, get this thing up for you guys, and start working on some new stuff. So if you guys are new here, like I said, make sure you guys hit this video, thumbs up, subscribe if you guys have not already. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.